Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about a patient presents with depressed mood, loss of sleep, loss of hope, feeling of worthlessness, diminished concentration for the last 1 month. Drug of choice in this patient is if the patient is having depressed mood, loss of hope, lack of sleep, feeling of worthlessness, this is a case of depression. In depression, we give antidepressants. In the antidepressants, the first line antidepressant is selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors are the first line antidepressants or drug of choice. Thank you and thank you for watching.